boys back again with another video. That's some little burbles. But what's going on, y'all? I know it's been such a while. Damn, the little kids be looking. Man, I need my exhaust so bad. That's also why I've been slacking on making videos, because I just feel like when you guys cannot hear the car, it's not as like, you know, the video is just not, it's just not as crazy as I want it to be. So sometimes I record videos and the car isn't even that loud, so I'm like, nah. But my exhaust is coming in a couple of days, so you guys stay tuned for that. I also got a carbon fiber steering wheel. I'm probably going to be installing that tomorrow. I already have it at home. But for this video, you know, it was just a video because I haven't uploaded in a while, so yeah, so I'm just uploading a little POV for y'all today. Right now I'm on my way to go pick up a new monitor. Yeah, y'all can hear some little burbles. But once that exhaust comes in, it's gonna be a different ball game. That's pretty much gonna be like straight pipe. So it is gonna be crazy. That was a nice F32. Alright, I just pulled up here, y'all, so about to go inside. But real quick, I always do a walk around in my car. It's raining. I don't want to get the GoPro too wet, but I'll show y'all what's up though. No new mods yet. If you guys have been watching me for a long time, car is still the same, but I got a steering wheel to put on. The exhaust coming in very soon. I have a front lip and stuff. I just need somewhere to put it on because it's way too cold outside. But yeah, that's what the car's looking like. It's actually looking cleaner than it is right now because it's raining. But let me know if y'all mess with the yellow DRLs. And still got a missing exhaust tip because with the exhaust I'm getting exhaust tips with it, so I didn't bother putting on this one. I don't even know how it fell off, but I still got that side. It's very dirty, y'all can't even see it, but I'm just waiting for the new exhaust to come in and I'll just use the tips from that. But you know what's crazy though? I'm surprised how many of you guys are actually Jamaicans that watch me, because I always see y'all in the comments and I'm like, damn, that shit crazy for real. But yeah, fam, you know, mad respect still. Just do my car content and shit, dog, and enough people fuck with it, dog, isn't it? So it's a vibe for real. Enough people even know me a yard man like that, but I'm a yard man like someone. Got enough time to see that, I say, yo, yeah, if you talk patois, bro, I say, yep, I want that to talk, brother. I just speak and I video and shit, isn't it? I should be going in. I don't even know why I came back in the car, but for y'all who don't understand what I just said, I was just saying, like, I'm surprised how much Jamaicans watch me. I just hit 11K subs yesterday, so for everyone that watches me, subscribes, likes the videos, man, that shit means a lot, bro, because I'm just out here making videos on my car. I'm just doing what I like. I just love cars. I love building cars. I love making them faster. I love making them loud. You know, the pops, the burbles, everything. That's just something I've always loved, and just being able to pick up the camera, record that, and show y'all, and y'all mess with me for that, man, I appreciate that a lot, bro. But yeah, at the start of this year, I wasn't even at 1,000 subs, and we hit 11K subs before the year ended. I'm not sure if we're gonna get to 12K by then. Regardless, that is crazy. So I'm really excited to see what next year brings. Probably, I don't know, let's see if we can maybe do like 50K or something. What is that, a 440? Yeah, it looks like it. About to go in real quick. I called them to put my monitor on hold, so I'm gonna see if they got that, and then I'll just do a little walk around and stuff. Look at all these PCs. I don't even know which graphic card that is, but that has to be like a 4090 or something. That is huge. Like, the monitor I'm getting is, I think it's the same thing as this, but this is a 32-inch. So what I'm getting is like 25 or something like that, but it looks the same. That shit crazy though. When I got bread like that, I want to make a crazy PC, like the best of the best. Like this cases too. Let me know if y'all mess with PCs too. I've been into PCs for a minute. You got the monitor back there. So I'm just going to do a little POV. I should probably get groceries today too, but I really don't feel like it. I hate getting groceries. Boys, I got some little groceries there, nothing crazy, but y'all saw that little cinematic. I was driving home and I had to pull over, man. I love when it's foggy like that. It is freezing outside, but I'm still gonna put my window down. Damn, it is still very foggy. Y'all can probably see it a little bit. intro real quick. That shit's spinning, yo. I'm going whichever way this guy isn't. Yo, I'm even spraying up my windshield fluid. I am tripping. I was about to launch it, but I saw a puddle of water. Damn. I saw the puddle of water and I'm like, hell no, I ain't trying to go through that. Especially because I'm holding GoPro with one hand. I'll probably slip out or something. I feel like this is a crazy view though. I usually have my head mount on, so I usually have both hands, but don't tell me this thing about to stop, bro. Nah, we're good. Yo, when that exhaust comes in, I promise y'all, bro, content is gonna be crazy. With the intake sound, that thing is crazy. One more launch control and I'm gonna end the video off, real. I don't know why I said launch control, I meant anti-lock. Damn. One last one. This is actually the last one. Hey, we're going cap.